Hi everyone, Tricia here. So today for our vlog, we are going to make yung trending na Dalgona coffee. And I'm going to do it together with my cousin Andrea. Let's go! So for our Dalgona coffee, we will be needing these ingredients. So first, we need to have instant coffee. You could use any brand and it is preferred that you use instant coffee para mas mabilis siya ma-dissolve. And then we will also be needing sugar para hindi mapait yung ating Dalgona coffee. And then of course, we will be needing milk. Pero if you don't have milk, you could use other alternatives. In our case, we will be using evap since wala kaming milk right now. And you would also be needing ice cubes if you prefer the Dalgona coffee to be cold. And of course, hot water para mabilis ma-dissolve yung ingredients na paghahalu-haluin natin. Ipapakilala ko muna ang kakasama ko for this vlog, ang aking cousins. So we have Andrea. She's going to sit here. So umupo ka na dito. There. Also, ang brother niya na si Andre. Remember Andre? Siya yung tawag ng tawag sa pranks. So ayan, let's start doing the Dalgona coffee.
One eternity later.
So after eternity, ito pa rin ang outcome. Papakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan niyo yung consistency, ha? Ayan. So sobrang hirap. Wala kaming hand mixer. So ang gamit namin is yung whisk. And super hirap niya i-whisk. Ilagay na kami ng milk here sa glass. Try namin ilagay sa ibabaw kung mag-work man. Kung hindi man mag-work, kape pa rin naman to, so may inom pa rin siya at gatas pa rin naman yun. Wala namang nagbago. Pero sana mag-work, sana lumutang siya. So we are now going to try kahit ganito lang ang consistency niya. Ayan. Dahil mukhang aabutin kami ng gabi kung hindi pa namin ito try. Pinalik na namin yung angle ng camera dyan. So, ilalagay na natin ngayon. Siyempre, gagamit tayo ng spoon. Isuscoop natin yan. Ilalagay natin dito sa milk. Si Andrea muna. Wow! Ayan! So, it's working, guys! It's working! Hi! All our efforts are worth it. Though hindi siya super frothy, pero hindi siya lumulubog. So, successful pa rin siya kasi nalalagay siya sa ibabaw ng milk. Kung gusto nyo ng super frothy, well, tagalan nyo yung pag-whisk. Pero kung tinatamad na kayo, pwede na siya kasi hindi naman siya lumulubog. Umiibabaw pa rin siya. So, ayan, sisimutin ko lang yung nandito sa bowl.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
We're going to do the shoutouts. Nilista ko siya kasi baka may makalimutan ako. So let's start. First, a shout out to Kael B. Villar. Please do subscribe to his channel and also follow him on Instagram. It's at Kael Pretzel. He makes vector art, so if you want to commission him, just contact him. His name and Facebook is also Kael Villar. And also, we have Jayoniel de Mata Baptista and also Atomy Company. So it's about business. I think it's online shopping in Korea. So if you have questions about it, just message him on Facebook. And we also have Rain Soriano. Please do subscribe also to her channel. And lastly, we have Michael Cabalhin. Thank you so much for helping me promote my channel. If you want your name to be included in my shoutouts, feel free to comment it down below or message me in my social media accounts. Tapos na namin gawin ang aming Dalgona coffee. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit like. And also, comment down for suggestions on my next vlog. And syempre, huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-subscribe. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. And soon, mamimigay ako ng giveaway once we reach 1,000 subscribers. So, stay tuned for my next vlogs. And see you again. Bye!